The Aztec Empire had a variety of foods similar to what the Mexicans eat today. They would have two meals a day, one in the morning after a few hours of work, and the second around 3 in the afternoon. For breakfast, they would usually have maize porridge, beans, and sauce. For lunch, they normally ate tamales, beans, tortillas, and a casserole. The people who made these foods were the women. It was one of their roles. They would grill, boil, and/or steam the food in clay pots. On occasions, the Aztecs would hold feasts that played a crucial part in their culture. During feasts, they would drink chocolate, hallucinogenic mushrooms, drop food for offerings, and much more. The Aztecs also fasted for cultural reasons. The primary food source the Aztecs relied on was maize. It was a major part in the Aztec mythology and came in different colors, sizes, and textures. It was made into tamales, corn tortillas, and maize gruel. Another key food they had was beans. Beans was served in every meal and was their main protein source. The Aztec diet consisted of mostly fruit and vegetables. They occasionally had turkey, duck, or dog. Some drinks the Aztecs drank were alcoholic beverages that were usually either made up of honey, cacti, or pineapple. There was also a juice made of maguey called pulque. The rich never drank this. The Aztecs' staple foods were tamales, tortillas, casseroles, maize, and beans. A popular fruit they had was chili peppers, which were used to make many different spices and sauces. The Aztecs were cannibalists. They killed and ate humans. They sacrificed people, generally prisoners of war, and gouged out their hearts. After showing the person's heart off at the top of the temple, they would throw the body down the many stairs. Later on, the dead body would be eaten by the elite as a stew, which was eaten with corn tortillas. This was normal because the Aztecs sacrificed a great deal of people. As you can see, these people had an interesting diet that consisted of some disturbing meat. Nevertheless, their food has been passed down from generation to generation, and most of it eventually became part of the Mexican culture.